I said this wasn't a Labubu channel, and I meant it, but I have another Labubu video to make. On Facebook today, a post came through my feed of a lady having a yard sale, and in the photos of the stuff that she had at the yard sale was a ton of pictures of Labubus and other Pop Mart kind of merchandise. So I left a comment and I said, "Are these Lafufus?" And she said, "Yes." I wanted a Lafufu. I went to her house and I bought 2 Lafufus from her yard sale. And I want to show you what I got. And I'm only doing this because I want to see what the difference is between a Labubu and a Lafufu. This is my original Have a Seat Labubu box from Pop Mart. My friend got this for me from the website, had it shipped to her home. So this is the one that I bought at the yard sale. The boxes are identical size. And you could tell the difference. This is the real one. The open one is the real one. The color of the box is different. This one does not have the Pop Mart logo on the top, and this one does. This one had the little starter pull tab here. This one has a pull tab, but it's different from the one on the Pop Mart box. So what it looks like is that they scanned this box and just recreated it over here, because other than the colors being different, the box is almost identical. So on the back, the writing is the same. Again, this is the real one. The text is darker over here. On the side, the pictures and the names are the same, but the colors are darker over here. This side, exactly the same, even down to the QR code. I scanned the QR code on this box and it went straight to the Pop Mart site. And even these things, like when I first looked at this, I was like, oh, these look a little hazy, but so do these. So the logos down here for Pop Mart and Facebook and Instagram, identical. I can't wait to see what's inside. So I'm gonna open my Lafufu. I'm gonna pull the tab. Got it. So the tab here did not work, so we're just gonna open it like regular. And the box has seen better days. It's like almost like it got wet or something on the top. Oh, another difference. There's no bag on the inside. This Labubu is not inside of a sealed bag, so it's not really a surprise. So let's see. Oh my God, it's definitely a fake. There's no Pop Mart on the feet. Look at the feet. The feet just spin. OMG. It's still cute though. I've heard Lafufus, their heads turn. This one doesn't really turn. The arms look different lengths. The feet are all wonky. I feel like these feet are gonna fall off. Ears are really far apart. Labubus don't look like that. But it has a card, it does have a card inside. So this one is Baba, but it's not really Baba. I don't even have to compare it to a real one because the feet alone are enough to tell me that it's a fake. Look, his head is like off to the side. That is Lafufu number 1. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I paid $20 for this. I knew what I was buying, so I'm not upset about losing $20 on this at all. Okay, I'll be back to open the other Lafufu.